Welcome back, everybody. Today we're looking at my PS4 controller and we're going to replace the battery. So pretty simple process with this. All you're going to need is a 0-bit Phillips head, so you can take off the plastic, and your battery, maybe a metal tray. I'm just using this junky one that came with my RC stuff. This is a 2000 milliamp hour battery, so this will be much better, longer lasting. This can work in the regular PS4 controller or the PS4 Pro controller. And if I remember correctly, this is a Pro controller because it has the light bar within the touchpad there. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead, start disassembling this. Take these 4 screws out first. There we go. That could have been bad if that ripped off, but luckily it just pulled itself out. So here's our old battery. You can see once you get this out, don't be like me. I guess it is better to go this way. I didn't look anything up. I just assumed that battery tray just sits in here. It's not really held in. But if you look, this is only 1000 milliamp hour versus this new one, which is 2000 milliamp hours. So double the life. All you do, get your battery back in here. Make sure you lined it up the right way. Should go in like this. There's a little notch here that only allows you to put it in one way. So you get that. You don't need this one, so you can just tuck it out of the way somewhere. Click this guy, the littler guy, in here. If I get it the right way the first time, probably not. Alright, there we are. So just kind of tuck that in there. And then put our old battery to the side. So now I can enjoy Forza Motorsport without it dying randomly, even though I charge it overnight. Plug in our ribbon cable here, being as careful as I can be. Now, get everything back together. I think I'm used to the old version, because if I remember, there was a bar. Maybe it's the Xbox controllers. I don't remember. But getting the triggers back in was quite annoying. Actually, that is Xbox controllers, so I haven't been using those in a while. So, click everything back in. And then we can screw it all back together. And test it out. Make sure it turns on. Alright, so we're all back together. I've already turned it on. It is lighting up. It's actually connected. So we know it's connected to my PC, which is in the other room over there. Not going to play anything. I'm going to test it out. If I have problems, I'll let y'all know. If I don't update, you know, it's going great. I'm hoping I get double the life out of this. Usually I can play 2 or 3 days without charging. Not like whole days, but, you know, a few hours a day. Forget to plug it into the charger, and then this would die. But lately I've been having problems where it was just dying randomly even after charging it overnight. So I think that's our culprit. Have another controller having this same problem, so probably swap it out once I test this out and then go from there. Well, that's going to be all for this short video today. I know it was pretty quick, but that is a pretty quick process to get the battery in here. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you know where to leave them. Also, if you can hit those other buttons down there, I'd really appreciate it, and it greatly helps me out. I thank you all for stopping by. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and take care.